Oh, fuck.
God.
It is literally no shirt, no shoes, no service.
This is definitely the most country thing we've ever done. Oh yeah, she's raining out, it's wet. We decided to do the head gaskets. Why not? It's raining. Nobody's gonna be here for a couple hours, so we're gonna replace the head gaskets on the way of the south. Get it done. And then by the time they're up and running on the track, we should be running and able to run back in the fields. So while people are driving over here, we can go give ride-alongs, we can go have fun with this thing. Might as well do it. We got nothing else to do. So head gaskets and small block Chevy. That's one good perk of having a small block Chevy. We're in the middle of nowhere, Indiana. We got all the parts we needed yesterday for $56. 56 bucks. Let's replace it. An update on the most country shit we've ever done.
It is literally no shirt, no shoes, no service.
That is what a blown head gasket looks like right there. That is real nice. Nice and creamy. Heads are about to come off. Shirts aren't coming on anytime soon. Your feet. I'm barefoot. This is definitely the most country thing we've ever done. Working on a small block Chevy in the rain in Indiana. Good times.
Oh, fuck. God.
No oil. Whoops!
We're just purging out the
did it.
The milk.
Back at the track. Another wet morning, but we are going to drop the oil from the way of the south and make sure it's all good. We just want to clean all that stuff out because really blown head gasket yesterday. We replaced it. They're good. It seems to be a lot better. Everything runs. So drain that oil, make sure we got all the contaminated stuff out, and then we're going to fire it up and hopefully the rain clears up so we can drive it around and test it. But I feel like we might have fixed it. The homie Mesker about to run. We're on a break from qualifying. It seems like a lot of guys were doing really well. Some of the big drivers had a couple mistakes. It's been really wet. I'm real happy with my friends. All of the STL boys did really well. But we did get the car running again. Way the South is running sounds great. And we're just letting it get hot. Burn off some of the oil we spilled.
Hey man.
Hey man.
Hey man.
Hey man, 6 scoops over there. Just past the cup of water. 6 scoops. want to go rip it really badly.
Yeah, right.
That made it so much worse.
Yeah.
It's like double the power we had the other day, easily. It feels so much better, so we fixed it.
Solid test.
Cool, we can't do this. It's fixed.
How was it?
Twice the power. Twice the power we had the other day. Oh, dude, easy.
Nice.
So much better.
That's great. It sounds awesome.
It sounds real good.
Hey, first we get
Top 32 competition just started.
at the end of the night.
Mike Pollard's looking lethal out there. Course is dry today. It's gonna be a good day. Just step up, watch it a little bit, and then get back to the way of the south. Should be fun. It's a good battle to see, man. David Mesker, Human Rahimi, two good friends of mine. And you know, Mesker's in the stock vet. Human's got a pretty wound up car, but it's a good battle. It's one of the only places you're gonna see something like this. Back on the other side of the track, we're gonna test this thing out with our fresh head gaskets.
New ones.
And we forgot the attitude adjuster, but I think I got one on the track. Or we could use like a penny or a key,
Yeah.
whatever you use to tune a small block Chevy. So we're gonna drive it around, make some pulls, make sure everything's good, and if everything's nice, we might hit the dirt a little bit later and get some ride-alongs and have some fun. But we'll see right now. This competition's still going on. We definitely want to see top 16 too. But right now, this is our priority. You fucking threw chunks at me, dude.
Oh man. Sorry, dude. Let's go.
we're back at the trailer. Had a whole bunch of fun with that thing. And, you know, we got to go probably tune it up and figure out what we're doing. And we kind of loosely based it off of sound and then drove it and break up and then adjust it a little bit. Not the correct way to do everything, but it was really fun. We got to rip through it. And we're going to go watch Top 16. So, I want to see who's going to win this 50K. Pretty sick.